Ever feel like peeking into the future? Well, today we're going to try to do just that.
Oh, and how we're going to do that?
We're diving deep into XRP price predictions, and we've got some analysis from crypto analyst Dark Defender to guide us.
Interesting.
Yeah, Dark Defender uses charts and indicators, technical analysis to make predictions.
So like a detective looking for clues, but in the chart.
Exactly. And one of the biggest clues right now is that XRP is sitting pretty above the $2.17, $2.18 some soul level.
Okay, so it's holding strong.
Right. And its RSI is over 50%.
For anyone who's, just starting out in crypto, the RSI or relative strength index, it's kind of like a thermometer for the market.
Yeah. And right now, the thermometer is showing things are heating up.
Above 50% usually means there's positive momentum, buyers are more in control.
And get this, the 3-month price chart shows a rounded bottom formation.
The rounded bottom, yeah, that's a classic pattern. Often comes before a big price jump.
Yeah, exactly. It's like the market's taking a deep breath before a big run.
You got it. Rounded bottom usually means sentiment is shifting, bearish to bullish. Sellers losing steam, buyers stepping in. Slow and steady, which usually means a move upwards that'll last.
But wait, there's a twist. Dark Defender is predicting a possible dip in the short term.
A dip?
Yeah, if the RSI drops into oversold territory.
Makes sense. Even in a rising market, you gotta expect some dips here and there. It's totally normal.
So, should we be worried if we see a dip?
Not at all. Oversold just means RSI is below 30, prices dropped a little too fast, probably gonna bounce back soon.
So a pit stop on the road to the moon, maybe?
Exactly. A chance for people to buy the dip if they're in it for the long haul.
Speaking of the long haul, Dark Defender has some pretty bold long-term predictions.
Yeah.
We're talking XRP hitting $59, maybe even $16.28.
Wow, that's a big jump.
Right. And they base these predictions on Fibonacci levels.
Wow, the Fibonacci sequence, I always found that fascinating.
I know, right? It seems almost mystical, like magic numbers or something.
Well, it's a sequence where each number is the sum of the two before it. And these ratios, you see them everywhere in nature. Seashells, galaxies, even the stock market.
So traders use these levels to kind of map out where the price might go.
Exactly. They act like support and resistance levels.
Okay, so based on these levels, Dark Defender thinks XRP is headed for the stars.
Their analysis is definitely leaning bullish, that's for sure. But, it's important to remember no prediction is 100% guaranteed.
Of course, always good to keep that in mind.
Technical analysis, it's a great framework for understanding the market, but it's not a crystal ball. There's always unforeseen factors that could come into play.
Absolutely. So for anyone out there thinking about jumping on the XRP train, remember the golden rule: do your own research.
Couldn't agree more. Knowledge is power, especially in the crypto world.
And never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Wise words. And, it makes you think, what would happen if XRP actually reached those high targets?
Yeah, what would that mean for the crypto market as a whole?
Would it change how people see XRP? Bring in a wave of new investors? It really makes you wonder.
So much potential, so many possibilities.
That's the beauty of it, right? The future is full of surprises.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into XRP price predictions.
Always a pleasure.
And remember, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay tuned for our next deep dive.
Until then, happy trading, everyone.